What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Rocket Vlogs. My name is Braden, and if you're familiar with this channel, you're probably familiar with the fact that last year, my friend Matt, Taylor, and myself put together a 16-foot tall, 12-inch diameter upscale of a Wildman Punisher, and we attempted to fly it at Airfest, and while the whole recovery sequence and everything went about as perfect as it could on a windy day, we only managed to light 4 of the 7 onboard motors, and didn't really make it all that public that it was just by sheer luck that the 4 lit happened to be across from each other, so the rocket flew straight. If you're also familiar with my channel, you probably know that I just got back from Arconia, Kansas, where we attempted to fly that rocket again on the same combination of 7 motors, that being an Aerotech N3300, 3 L1520s, and 3 K1000s. So the question you're probably wondering is, did it work? I'm just kidding. Yeah, it worked. It worked fine. It went really good. I just wanted to give a little bit of a backstory for anybody watching this video that isn't familiar with the whole thing. Now, I'm going to kick it to myself in Kansas City about a week ago at Taylor's house, where we were preparing the rocket, and let you enjoy the whole sequence of us preparing it, flying it, recovering it, and all that goodness. I do have one request though. If you aren't subscribed, please press the subscribe button. It's free and it helps me out a ton. We can keep awesome projects like this rolling. We do have more big rockets in the plan book. What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Rocket Vlogs, and it is that time of the year. I guess there's many of these times of the year, but it is time for us to start preparing to fly the 12-inch Punisher again. What do we got going on, Taylor?
Making an igniter.
Cocoa powder and silver flour. The what method?
In the pyro community, this is called the diaper method of mixing.
I didn't realize we'd be baking today.
Well, we're gonna make a hot cake. 2, 1. Look pretty good.
Yeah. It's got a polarizing filter on it.
Oh, okay, that's why it looks like it's just like...
Black is the night sky.
Yeah, I'm looking into the black hole.
Oh, what's good?
I got that good all-in-one lens too, so I don't have to switch lenses at rocket launches.
That's nice.
I can go in or out. What's up?
How close can you get?
I'm looking at only your face.
Wow.
Sir, did you wash your hands in there?
Yeah.
All right, so the leader harness is here. Got pretty toasty on the last flight. Taylor's over there doing sumo things. So Matt brought us some shot cord, and we're going to recreate these just for due diligence. Expendable items, just a new one every flight, right? Nice tip for the fellow 9-volt flyers in this world. These Duracell Pro Cell batteries, you can get them at Grainger on Amazon. Super cheap compared to regular 9 volts. I have a whole box of them and forgot to bring them, so I bought regular Duracells. C'est la vie.
Oh, can you reach?
Yeah, oh yeah, we're good. Oh, geez.
How's that treating you?
Oh, it's fantastic.
We got all the fun boxes with all the fun stickers on them. Taylor's address. We gotta make some ejection charges. Then we gotta go to the hotel and make some motors. Well, not make some, but you know, assemble some.
Mix up some motors at the hotel.
Yeah, no problem. Bring the old Hobart 20 quart up the staircase. It's a little packed. Oh, there is a light back there. It's a little packed in here.
Just a little bit.
It's a stuffed egg.
We definitely didn't need Matt to be here in a timely
No.
fashion with a car. That'd be crazy.
Thanks, Matt.
That was tough. That was really hard to watch. I'm not a menace like Taylor, so I like to try to have one glue hand and one not glue hand when I do this.
It's not as efficient.
I guess probably not. Get prepared. That's a good snug fit. I like that. Uh-oh. 98s now. The greens fit a little loose on the M4500s. Oh, dude. No FOMO, bro. No, dude, it's low foaming.
I'm convinced that might have been on my M3700 Kato.
Loose fit?
Grains fit real loose. I took it easy on the glue.
Why do that when you can take it hard?
Look at me the whole time. It's pretty cool. It's not that good.
How you doing in there, Matt?
Huh?
How you doing in there?
I'm actually randomly looking for some skiing videos.
Dude, it is a beautiful, clear day to fly a huge rocket.
Do it. There's no way.
What color is the N3300?
Red.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to close the model rocket area for just a moment.
Everybody's witnessing all these quick links being attached.
They are attached or they're not?
They're about to be. Last year.
Yeah.
Bunch of
It always
Milo.
looks different when you come out. When things are cut down. It's definitely a nice time to be flying. Dump it in. Dump it down.
Do you want to attach the leader to it while it's up and easy? This doesn't feel like it's fitting here. I mean, it was a little snug last time.
Yeah, remember we put it in, it just dropped down.
I mean, once you get it past the edges, I think it will.
What do you think?
I think you're paranoid, man.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to close the 50s.
Guess that's why we put the big ejection charge in there.
Okay.
Fresh ones every time. rock and roll.
So I can drive down the flight, like in front of the flight line.
Out there on the horizon, we have a special launch pad we call Buster. Don't ask me why. So there's a consortium of lunatics, the anti-gravity group. It's Taylor Jesse, Braden Carlson, Matthew Myers from Kansas City or Boise, either Missouri or Idaho, and they're flying again the Hash Slinging Slasher. This is a very small rocket. It only weighs 180 pounds. Listen to this motor complement: 7 motors, and N as in no way, 3,300, 3 L1520s, and 3 K1000s. How much power does this generate altogether? Like a horsepower, 2 horsepower? 32,000 newton seconds. Well, we've got everything you can imagine on board, tracker, altimeter, blah, blah, blah. Taylor wants to thank Tim and the PML Lock Group, and we're going to put this baby up. So we're going to go up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck. There we go. Oh, Not bad takeoff for a 180-pound rocket. That's awesome. So we got your board, the Hash Slinging Slasher is under your drove, and now it starts dropping marbles. Are they little turds? I'm not sure. It's going to drop something out. Maybe it's Tootsie Roll. Meanwhile, let's... This is also a...
Ah, look at that.
Cody, are you ready to fly? LCO, you'll see the Hash Slinging Slasher under full shoot with all its glory and regalia out there, and it's not even smoking. It's amazing. Looks like we got a perfect recovery, hopefully.
Perfect.
Here she is. It even drug itself into the waterway for us.
Oh, there's an elk out there.
Oh, yeah.
I'll go grab it.
All right.
I'll see out there.
Yeah, it's a bit of a walk right there. Yeah.
He knows.
Those all look burned.
They all burn?
It looks like it.
I think it just said 13.
Oh, what? Is that one burnt? Yeah, I think so. Rip to my literally brand new, got it this morning, Sky Angle Sur 3 Large. But I'm gonna get the clip we missed on the last time. The dirt pour. Ooh! The pioneers used to ride these babies for miles. We didn't say on camera yet. It went a good bit higher than we expected. 13,400 feet.
Pretty wild.
That's pretty good for a 180-pound rocket.
Everything went perfect.
Dude, I'm so stoked.
It was unbelievable.
Oh, so ridiculous. I really hope that camera on it worked.
I know.
At least for part of it.
13.5 pretty much.
Yeah.
I mean, we were thinking 10.
Yeah. I wonder, we should pull the perfect flight data when we get back to your house, see how fast it went.
Oh yeah.
We should have brought the cable with.
You know, the problem is now we're gonna want to do it again.
But bigger.
Bigger.
Dude, look how close it landed to the road too. It's beautiful. Last time was a hike and a half, and we still had 2 unburnt K's and L's and an N, so it was like 50 pounds heavier than it is right now. And real windy. So thank you to Bob Brown for grabbing everything, or grabbing the parachute and not tangling, but folding it down so that it would not fly away. Match, I want you to guess the altitude.
Well, Shane kind of gave me a little hint. Maybe
Oh, did he?
13,000?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
13's about 13, dude.
Woo, dude, I called it.
This is where it landed. That's where the parachute drug it. Shall we? Off we go.
Yeah.
Match got the nose. Postor got the upper suction. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is the 4x upscale Wildman Punisher, the hash slinging slasher, successfully flying to almost 13,500 feet on 32,000 Newton seconds of total installed impulse, which, if you're curious, is decently into the O range, but that rocket is capable of a lot more. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, especially my Patreon supporters whose names are scrolling across the screen right now. If you want some behind the scenes content and bonus videos and stuff like that, check out patreon.com/rocketvlogs, or you can support the channel by purchasing merch at rocketvlogs.com. Depending on how merch sales and the channel and everything goes, something about the motor mount configuration in that rocket is really screaming for us to put an N and 6 M's in it. So, if you'd like to see that happen, make sure you're subscribed. I can't promise it's going to be anytime soon, but we'll do our best. We do have another big rocket coming, and we've already announced that in the past, though some slight changes have been made to its design. Of course, as you can see in the background here, there's no shortage of rockets for me to be working on and making videos about. So I've got a lot of work to do, and not a whole lot of time to do it. With that being said, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Braden. You just watched a Rocket Vlogs video, and I'll see you next time.